Welcome back, guys, for the new video on my channel, and thank you for watching and supporting my channel. So I decided for this video to do a tear down for this Ryobi tool. I recently purchased this tool online, and before I purchase any tool, if you kind of follow my channel, so you will know. I always like to kind of go deep down in the technology aspect of it. I mean, I like to see what's inside, how well the quality is built. Before I was going to buy, I wanted to look up on YouTube to see if I can find any weird video of people showing this a tear down of this motor assembly and things like that. But of course I did not see any, so I decided, why don't I take this opportunity and make the video myself. So it's pretty new. I recently again bought it, so I was like, you know what, why don't I make a video on this and show you guys what's inside. We know kind of basic, it does have a motor and a little bit capacitor and things like that, on little MOSFET and all those wirings, and maybe a heat sink inside. But I just wanted to still look at it inside, what's in there, what type of quality are we talking about. So I was like, you know what, let's just do this video and I can show everybody what so I guess, yeah, let's do that. So again, this is my battery. It's a 4 amp battery. It did not came with it. This blade is mine. Ryobi blade was quite expensive, so I bought these ones from Harbor Freight. It was actually on clearance. Pack of 10 of these 3-inch blade costed me like $2.97 plus tax, of course. I think that's amazing price for these blades. Pack of 10, about like what, 30 cents each, which I think is amazing price. The arbor size, the whole size is about 3/8. So make sure if you are looking this online, so the arbor size is 3/8 and it's 3-inch wheel. So anyway, without wasting too much time, let's begin this puppy. I do want to say I did remove the seal. A lot of the other Ryobi tools, when you open it, you don't have to remove the seal or break the seal. But in this tool, or maybe Ryobi is getting smarter about these type of tools lately. So when you do the tear down on this one, you have to break the seal. See, look at down there. I want to make sure you see. Yep. So down there, you have to break this seal, and then also you have to break one more area, which is this. Look at that. You have to also break this seal when you're going to open it. Without opening this, it's not possible for you to open this puppy apart. But this is also a sign, it was open before. So, but yeah, so again, this is a T10 security bit. If you notice, this has like a tiny hole in the middle. This is what they call security bit. So yeah, just a quick tear down, nothing fancy. I'm just going to start removing all these screws. But yeah, guys, meanwhile, I would appreciate if you can hit subscribe and like this video to help support my channel, so I can keep coming up with more and more of these type of videos to help everybody out there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, looks like we are almost there. See, that would explain, because if I don't remove this seal, or if I don't break it, I won't be able to open this puppy right here. Oh, there we go. Yep, this one is a tiny LED this wire. Alright guys, so there you have it. Of course, I don't want to completely rip off the motor assembly. I just wanted to look at it inside just as a curiosity. So of course, this is the one LED that lit up. That's the second one on the top, like right this wire. That's the second one. Of course, this is your brushless motor. Looks very well built. You can see the winding of these copper wires, pretty heavy and thick. This is, I guess, their main what they call controller board, because every brushless motor requires 3 wiring. So you need a controller for the brushless motor. So this, I believe, is a controller and speed module. This is, of course, your switch. I mean, what I don't like about this motor is, you know, they pack things down so well. You see this controller board is so much like, of course, it has so much glue or whatever they use, this type of liquid or this yellowish. They kind of pack it down so much. So if you decide to repair this puppy, it's pretty hard of these devices. Yeah, they lock down the whole thing. Look at that. But yeah, here you can see the motor clearly. Motor also says your PSBCS02 Hall. I know this is the model number for this Ryobi tool. Look at that. You can see it. Yep, hopefully you can see that. But yeah, there's a very nice bearing on the back, and I can see it's full of grease, which is a good sign, of course. I don't know, I can't spin with my hand. I don't know if I kind of moved it too much. I don't know. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, there you go. It's spinning. It just kind of too. But yeah, I guess that's all I wanted to do, guys. I mean, here you can see, of course, I'm going to put everything back together. But there you have it, guys. Here is the neat view, I guess. But yeah, pretty much motor, little board, switch, not like too much rocket science. But again, you can't really repair a whole lot. If this goes bad, you have to pretty much buy this whole controller board, because I don't think, yeah, it's like too much soldering, but you can't even see it clearly. Yeah, little tiny capacitor here. But yep. But yeah, guys, this is all I wanted to do with you, so I can show you what's inside of this Ryobi tool. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new, or this video was helpful to you guys in some ways. If it was, I would appreciate if you can hit the subscribe and like button to this channel to help support. But anyway, until then, we'll come back with some new interesting video. But keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. But yeah, peace out, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.